by the water's gentle flow, taking one step, then I go. Morning mist upon the leaves as the valley gently breathes. The mountain shows the way ahead, but my heart leads back to home instead. Higher up the path I climb, burdens falling one at a time, through the pines and mountain air, finding peace beyond compare. The mountain shows the way ahead, but my heart leads back to home instead. Rising higher, rising free, stone beneath the sky above. Rising higher, rising free, thinking of the ones I love. At the peak I stand alone, wind and spirit, flesh and bone. Victory tastes sweet up here, yet there's something even dearer. The mountain shows the way ahead, but my heart leads back to home instead. Down I go with lighter stride, carrying peace from mountainside, back to home, to Lakeland home. Every evening sun is low. Down I go with lighter stride, carrying peace from mountainside, back to arms that wait below, where the